All right, this is Clint Arthur, and this is a Clint Arthur review of the W Santiago Chile, suite number 1001. And this is a supreme suite.
Here I am at the registration desk.
Blonde wife at the registration desk, not included. But this is a supreme suite. You enter into a living room. I love it that it appears that there is a powder room right here. Let's see if I can turn on the light. Yes, there is a powder room, and I can turn on the light. Hello, powder room. And once you enter past the registration desk, there is cool artwork and stuff. You know, it's a W. They specialize themselves in being cool. The lobby was really cool.
But this is very ugly drape.
Look at this lamp. That's a nice lamp.
Ugly. These drapes would qualify.
Little mini bar station, coffee machine. Drink cup, it's on us. Courtesy, very nice. I like that. And it looks like Nespresso. Then living room.
Those drapes would qualify as an ugly Christmas sweater.
She doesn't like the drapes, but I do like the view. This is a very nice view. They told me that it was going to have a nice view, and they were not lying. Then we come into the bedroom area. And, you know, I'm not a huge fan of the bathtub or shower in the bedroom, but that's what they have. I do like the size of the shower. I do like a water closet, okay? But I really much prefer when the bathroom is enclosed. That's me. What can I say? It's me. It's nice amenities here. Closet. Robe. There's one robe there. Only one robe. Quick fix mending kit. We need this. And here we are. I'm going to go out on... Oh, there's another robe. There's another robe in the shower. I'm going to go out on the balcony to take a view. I do like that Chrysler building over there. Santiago, Chile is warm. It is summertime here, and it is definitely warm. I think this is very nice. Very nice suite. They said it was a nice suite. But I'm glad that they will be moving me to a terrace suite or a penthouse. A penthouse tomorrow. We're getting a penthouse tomorrow, I'm told. Oh, look at this. This allows us to close this door. That's nice. Probably able to close this door. I'll tell you what door I'd like to close. I'd like to close the door on the bathroom. That's what I would like to close. All right. Well, hey, there's a lot of reviews of a lot of luxury hotels on ClintArthurReviews.com. So if you want to see more luxury hotel reviews by me, go to ClintArthurReviews.com. And if you want to find out how to be a person who gets upgrades like this all the time, then you really need to find out about being a celebrity entrepreneur, because that's really what it's all about. And if you're interested in becoming a celebrity so that you can travel the world and get upgrades like this kind of stuff, there's some more nice buildings, then you'll see links there. Maybe you want to check out my book, Celebrity Entrepreneurship or Wisdom of the Men. A lot of great books that I've written. And that's going to wrap it up from this hotel review, Clint Arthur review of Suite 1001 at the Santiago W in Chile.